Hi children, today lesson number 21, circle. What is circle? A simple closed curve is called circle. Okay, all whose sides are same distance from the fixed point. Clear? Come, I am showing one example. When we are drawing the circle, we are using this compass and keeping one fixed point and drawing a circle. Okay, did you see? Then when I fixed this sharp point, I fixed this sharp point, you see here. This fixed point is called center point of the circle. So this is the center point of the circle. Clear? From center point to this curved line, when drawing this line, segment is called radius. From the center point to this curve point. What distance is that? This is called radius. All of you clear what is the radius? What is the center point? Okay, when we are drawing the circle, we are keeping one sharp edge here to fix it and we are making the circle. Clear? That fixed point is called center point of the circle. Clear? Then symbol closed curve is called circle. Okay, this is the center point of the circle. Then from center point, that fixed point to this curve point on the circle, what distance is that? This is called radius. Clear? See, all of you look at this board and see the first figure. From his center point to this circle point, this curve, what distance is that from this center point to this? This is called radius. Clear? Okay, so this center point I am giving the name, it is O. Okay, O, here I am giving A. So OA is a radius. Clear? This O is the center point of this circle. Clear that? Then next I am going to explain about diameter. What is the diameter? Listen this video carefully. What is the diameter? Diameter is a line segment ending on the circle. Okay, 2 points are ending on the circle through the center point. Okay, where is, you see this circle? This is the center point. Clear? Then one line segment, this is going through the center point is O, then ending on the circle. See, these 2 points are ending on the circle. So I am giving the name P, here it is Q. So this is diameter. Clear? This is the diameter. All of you clear about diameter? Diameter is a line segment. This is ending on a circle through the center point is called diameter. Clear? जो लाइन है सेंटर पॉइंट की बीच में से हम लोग लाइन खींचेंगे, लेकिन उस ये सर्कल में दोनों में वो एंड हो जाएगा. क्लियर? एक लाइन हम लोग सेंटर पॉइंट की थ्रू ऐसे बनाओगे, ये दिस इज कॉल्ड डायामीटर. अगर ये ऐसे मैंने बनाया, लेकिन ऐसे ही होने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. इफ इट इज कमिंग दिस लाइन फ्रॉम हियर टू हियर, दैट आल्सो डायामीटर. कैसे? लेकिन उसका वो सेंटर पॉइंट की द्वारा हम लोग ये लाइन खींचना चाहिए. वो इधर ऐसे भी हो, जो कोई भी डायरेक्शन हो, नो प्रॉब्लम. ओके, लेकिन वो आपको सेंटर पॉइंट टच करके आगे होके दूसरा सर्कल में एंड हो रही है, सर्कल में ही एंड हो जाएगा, that is called diameter. जो one examples I showed here. Is it clear? Children, listen, this is the radius I already explained. This is the diameter. What is the relation between of this? Just you see, रेडियस मीन मैंने बोला था सेंटर पॉइंट से ये सर्कल की कर्व तक एंटर किया, दिस लाइन इज कॉल्ड रेडियस. ओके, लेकिन इसी लाइन से यहाँ से लाइन होके थ्रू सेंटर पॉइंट के द्वारा हम लोग यहाँ तक खींचोगे, दैट इज कॉल्ड डायामीटर. तो इसको इसलिए हम लोग को क्या समझ में आ रही है, अगर वो ये बनाया यहाँ पे, वो भी यहाँ पे बना दिया, तो दैट इज द डायामीटर बन गया. तो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दैट diameter equal to 2 multiply radius. समझ में आया? हम लोग का अभी उसको फार्मूला बन गया ना. तो अभी ये डायामीटर, ये रेडियस समझ में आ गया. सेंटर पॉइंट से सर्कल तक जो लाइन है, व्हाट इज द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द सेंटर पॉइंट टू सर्कल, दैट इज कॉल्ड रेडियस. लेकिन इफ दैट एंड पॉइंट्स आर वन लाइन सेगमेंट ending on the circle through the center point is called diameter. It means 2 radius, आपको 2 radius ये सो हम लोग का एक फार्मूला बन गया. Therefore diameter equal to 2 multiply radius. समझ में आ गया कैसे बना? ये 2 रेडियस बनेगा तो ये 1 रेडियस हो गया, यहाँ से यहाँ तक 2 रेडियस बनेगा. 2 रेडियस बनेगा तो हम लोग को उसको क्या बन गया, वो डायामीटर. क्लियर हो गया? सो डायामीटर इक्वल टू 2 मल्टीप्लाई रेडियस. क्लियर? व्हाट इज रेडियस, व्हाट इज डायामीटर? क्लियर हो गया? 2 रेडियस मिलेगा तो हम लोग को डायामीटर मिल जाएगा. ओके, व्हेन 2 से डायामीटर को रेडियस को मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो हम लोग को क्या मिल जाएगा, डायामीटर. 2 multiply radius equal to diameter. Children, next point is chord. What is the chord? ये line segments end points on the circle is called chord. Here I am showing you chord. Here to okay. Here to here. This is called one line segment ending on the circle, whose ends on the circle is called chord. See, this is called chord. Clear? ये diameter और chord का what is the difference? Difference is that diameter is same, and this diameter also is a line segment whose ending on the circle through the center point. That is the difference. वो सेंटर पॉइंट से वो लाइन जाके सर्कल में एंड होगी, दैट इज कॉल्ड डायामीटर. लेकिन ये सर्कल में किसी भी कोने में आपको एक लाइन सेगमेंट बनाएगा, दैट इज कॉल्ड कोड. ये कैसे भी बन सकता है, लेकिन सेंटर पॉइंट में होने की जरूरत नहीं है. वो यहाँ भी हो सकती है, इधर भी, यहाँ से भी हो सकता है, कैसे भी, यहाँ से यहाँ पे कैसे भी, लेकिन सेंटर पॉइंट पे टच नहीं हुआ, दैट इज कॉल्ड कोड. Line segment also is a chord. That is the longest chord of a circle. Is it clear? Longest chord of a circle. What is the chord? A line segment whose end on the circle is called chord. This diameter also a chord, but it is the, what is the specialty of that? This is the longest chord of a circle. Clear? This is, but this diameter, how we are finding the difference of the chord and diameter? Diameter is the line segment is we are drawing through the center point. Chord is any side we can draw and just ending on the circle only. Next point is arc. What is the arc? Any part of the circle is called an arc. Any part of the circle. Okay, this is the circle. अब इसमें सर्कल में कोई भी पार्ट ले लो, यहाँ से लेकर आपको यहाँ तक ले लिया. So this part, see, this part is called आर्क. यहां से लेकर यहां तक जो पार्ट है दिस इज कॉल्ड आर्क. क्लियर. ये आर्क का, ये सर्कल में एनी पार्ट ऑफ द सर्कल इज कॉल्ड आर्क. तो यहां से ये सर्कल का आर्क पार्ट को वी आर गिविंग 3 points. Okay, so we are giving this point A, B, C. So ABC is a arc. Is it clear? ABC is a arc. Dear children, we are mentioning by 3 points. I told you A, B, C. So center point is R, O. Then we are giving A, B, C. Then here we are giving D, U, C. Then what? Then arc is 2 kinds of arc are there. One is A, C, B is the minor arc. Then A, D, B. यहाँ से लेकर आपको यहाँ से आ रहे, यहाँ से ये B तक जो पॉइंट्स है that is called major arc. So arc are mentioning by 3 points A, D, B. ठीक है. So this is called major arc. Major arc. This is small, no? A, B, C. So this is called from A यहाँ से यहाँ तक that is called minor arc. Clear? 2 types of arc. All of you clear about minor arc and major arc. So what is the arc? Any part of the circle is called. सर्कल में किसी भी पार्ट को आर्क बोलती है. आर्क को हम लोग 3 points में मेंशन कर देती है. तो ए बी सी. सो ए बी सी कहाँ से? यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक. तो इसमें छोटा है तो दैट इज कॉल्ड माइनर आर्क. ए डी बी यहाँ से जो बचा हुआ साइड है दैट इज कॉल्ड मेजर आर्क. सो आर्क 2 kinds of the minor arc and major arc. Clear? The last point, next point is semicircle. Okay, next point is the semicircle. What is the semicircle? So I can, hi children, next point is semicircle. What is a semicircle? Half of the circle is called semicircle. Listen here. Here it is the center point. Here if you are drawing like this means this half, if you are giving name. So A, B, C. This is the semicircle. Okay, here this also half of the circle is called semicircle. So this from here to this side is called semicircle. Dear children, ACB also ADB both are the semicircle. So semicircle also called an arc. Clear? So semicircle, half of the circle is called semicircle. All of you look at this picture figure. ACB, one semicircle. ADB is the another semicircle. Okay. So semicircle also called an arc. Then next one is circumference. What is the circumference? Perimeter of a circle is called circumference. So this is the circumference of the circle. Then how we are measuring the circumference? Listen here, I am showing one example. This is a circle. From here to here we are measuring till here. Okay. Then from here to here what is the length? This is called circumference of this circle. Okay, circumference of this circle. So we have to measure, take one thread and start from here and you measure it. Okay, measure it. From here to here, see what is the length. From here to here, this is the circumference of this circle. Clear? Circumference is pi. So pi equal to, what is the value of pi equal to 22 by 7. We are dividing this circle according to diameter, circumference divided by diameter. Okay, so 22 by 7 or 3.14. You have to learn this point. This is the full circumference of the circle. Clear? Then next point is interior point and exterior point. What is the interior point? These points are lying on the inside of the circle is called interior points. Then exterior points are out of this point circle. What are the points lying on the out of the circle is called exterior points of the circle. Next point is concentric circles. Okay, radius is okay. The fixed point is same, but radius are different. So it means this is the fixed point. One more circle is there in that circle. So this is the concentric circle. Same center point but different radii. From here this is different. From here to this circle's radii are different. Same center point, different radii is called concentric circle. Please children, listen this video many times and solve question number exercise 70. Listen this video and solve the exercise number 70. The first 3 questions. Solve yourself. Thank you.